Welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I will share best use of your empty dry fruit box. Post Diwali or a wedding in the family, you might have left with loads of them. Let's see how you can easily convert it into an awesome decor item. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such creative ideas if you haven't already done so. For this project I have brought 3D acrylic stickers from Amazon. I have shared the link for the same in the description box. To start with, I will cover the back of the tray with the 3D mirror stickers. They come with strong adhesive tape provided for sticking and a plastic protection layer to avoid scratches during installation. These are very easy to install and easy to clean. I have used 100 3D acrylic sticker of size 3 by 3 cm. Now need to fix the fabric border with stones using fabric glue. Need an empty foil paper roll to fix the legs. Cut it as per the required height and cover it with the stone borders. Once it is fixed, the table is ready to add glamour to your small showpieces. This table can also be used for puja purposes. If you like this simple idea, please do share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Have a nice day.